Today is November 22nd, 2009. This is another one. We were just talking about the miter saw and the skill saw. We did them both. So now we have the jigsaw. My brother's holding it up there. Nathan?
And as you can see, I've got like the touch sensor.
Yep, there's the touch sensor.
And then there are the two motors. So
Yep, see them there.
it can rotate and it'll pull it up. And then it kind of the blade kind of goes like woo, 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 woo. But like, you'll see. So when this presses down, like all the way, it'll start running. So
There it is.
So eventually it turns off. I programmed it to run for 20 seconds and then stop. Then it stops. So the blade isn't that pointy, but like I don't have that many stuff that's pointy, and so what should I say? And so yeah, that's our jigsaw that we probably finished in about 10 minutes. It's pretty easy. So yeah, that's all for now. Bye.